Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to burn fat quicker. To begin, the fundamental step is creating a calorie deficit. This means consistently consuming fewer calories than your body expends daily. A good target is a deficit of 500 to 1,000 calories per day. This approach can safely lead to a sustainable weight loss of about 1 to 2 pounds each week. It is a crucial starting point for effective fat loss. Next, building muscle through strength training is incredibly effective for fat burning. Aim to engage in strength training sessions 2 to 3 times per week. Muscle tissue is metabolically active, meaning it burns more calories at rest compared to fat. By increasing your muscle mass, you naturally elevate your resting metabolic rate. Prioritize compound exercises that work multiple muscle groups simultaneously for maximum benefit. Optimizing your diet is another critical step. Focus on consuming adequate amounts of lean protein, which is essential for preserving muscle mass while in a calorie deficit. Additionally, incorporate plenty of fiber-rich foods into your meals. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams of dietary fiber each day for optimal results and digestive health. Finally, do not underestimate the power of hydration and sufficient rest. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily is vital for supporting your metabolism and overall bodily functions. Equally important is prioritizing sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Good sleep helps regulate crucial hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, and ensures you have the energy needed for your workouts and daily activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.